Think car repairs are always expensive? Mechanics don't want you to know this, but there are secrets that can save you thousands of dollars every single year, and most drivers have never even heard of them. Whether you drive a new car or an old clunker, these 15 tricks can slash your repair bills in half or more. Stick around. Number 12 is a game changer that dealerships hate. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and let's jump into the first secret that could save you money today. Number 1, use an OBD2 scanner before going to the mechanic. Most modern cars throw a check engine light for even small issues, and shops may charge you $100 plus just to diagnose the problem. But here's the secret. You can buy an OBD2 scanner for as little as $20 and scan the code yourself. It tells you exactly what's wrong, like a bad sensor or loose gas cap, before the mechanic even touches your car. Better yet, you can Google the code or use free apps to understand it in plain English. This puts the power in your hands and helps you avoid being tricked into unnecessary repairs. But knowing the issue is only half the battle. What if I told you many repairs don't even need a mechanic at all? Number 2, learn basic repairs. You can do yourself some of the most common fixes, like replacing wiper blades, air filters, spark plugs, or even headlights, can cost $100 to $300 at a shop. But if you do them yourself, you might spend less than $20 on parts. You don't need to be a mechanic. YouTube and vehicle-specific forums are filled with easy tutorials that walk you through the steps. Doing even just 2 or 3 basic repairs per year yourself can save you over $1,000. And here's the kicker. These are often the exact same parts and processes that pros use. Still taking your car to the dealership for service? That could be draining your wallet fast. Number 3, skip the dealership for routine maintenance. Many drivers go to the dealership because they think it's required for warranty coverage. But guess what? By US law, Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, you can go anywhere for oil changes, brake pads, and other maintenance without voiding your warranty, as long as it's documented. Dealerships charge 30 to 60% more for labor and often push upsells. Independent shops or doing it yourself with quality parts from places like AutoZone or Rock Auto can save hundreds annually and still protect your vehicle long term. Worried about getting ripped off at a shop? There's a trick for that too. Number 4, always get a second opinion. Before agreeing to any expensive repair, especially ones over $300, get a second opinion. Some shops misdiagnose or exaggerate issues to upsell services. Getting another quote helps you confirm if the part really needs replacing or if there's a cheaper fix. Some chains like AutoZone and O'Reilly even offer free diagnostic help. Bringing quotes from competitors can also help you negotiate at your preferred shop. This one step can save you hundreds, even thousands, especially with major systems like brakes, AC, or suspension. And what if I told you some repairs don't need to be done right away, if at all? Number 5, don't let mechanics pressure you into immediate repair. Shops love saying things like, "This is dangerous, you need to fix it today." But not all red flag items are urgent. For example, minor oil leaks or slight brake pad wear may not need immediate action. Ask for the specific measurements. How many millimeters of pad left? How bad is the leak? Request photos or videos if you're unsure, then research the timelines. Many parts have tolerable wear levels, and delaying them for months could save you money without compromising safety. But here's a proactive hack. Do this, and you might avoid most major repairs entirely. Number 6, follow the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. Ignoring oil changes, coolant flushes, or timing belt replacements can cost you big, like thousands in engine damage. But blindly following the dealer's suggested maintenance can be a cash grab. Instead, stick to the factory recommended schedule found in your owner's manual. It tells you exactly when to service critical components based on mileage, not what the service advisor wants to sell you. This alone can extend your vehicle's life by years and prevent catastrophic failures. Want to double down on savings? Here's a tool that alerts you to issues before they become disasters. Number 7, use a vehicle health monitoring app. Modern vehicles can sync with apps like FXD, Car Scanner, or Torque Pro, which monitor live engine data and alert you of small issues before they become massive ones. These tools plug into your OBD2 port and send real-time info to your phone, like misfires, overheating, or sensor failures. Early detection lets you schedule repairs on your terms before the breakdown happens or parts start affecting each other. Think of it as a $40 investment that can prevent thousands in cascading repair costs. Number 8, buy tires online and install locally. Buying tires at a dealership or big box auto shop, you're probably paying $100 to $300 more than you need to. Instead, use websites like Tire Rack or Discount Tire Direct. They offer massive inventories, seasonal rebates, and direct shipping to local installers. Once shipped, you just pay for the install, usually under $25 per tire. Plus, you can compare ratings and lifespan reviews before you buy. It's the same quality rubber for way less money, but it's not just what you buy, it's what you don't do that really costs you. Number 9, don't ignore dashboard warning lights. That glowing check engine, battery, or coolant light is not something to ignore. A blinking check engine light can mean engine misfires, which may destroy your catalytic converter, a $1,000 plus repair. Low oil pressure? That's engine death in minutes. Always check the warning as soon as possible using an OBD2 scanner or mechanic. Fixing small problems early could be the difference between a $40 sensor replacement or a $2,500 engine rebuild. You can even reduce wear and tear while just sitting in traffic. Here's how. Number 10, don't idle excessively. Leaving your car running for long periods may seem harmless, but it wears out your engine, alternator, and AC system faster, especially in older vehicles. Plus, it wastes gas. If you're stopped for more than 60 seconds, it's usually better to turn the engine off, unless in freezing conditions. Avoiding unnecessary idling over the course of a year could save you on fuel and extend the life of your vehicle's most expensive components. And if you've got a squeaky belt or whiny alternator, this next trick will shock you. Number 11, use high-quality aftermarket parts. Instead of OEM, many drivers assume they must buy original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts from the dealership. But that's a myth that can cost you thousands. In reality, many aftermarket brands like Denso, Bosch, Moog, and NGK make the exact same or better parts at a fraction of the cost. But what if I told you where you fill up with gas could actually be costing you more in repairs later? Number 12, stop using cheap gas from unknown stations. Sure, that off-brand gas station down the street might save you a few cents per gallon, but over time, it could cost you hundreds in engine repairs. Here's why. Not all gasoline is created equal. Many small or unbranded stations cut corners on additives, which help keep your fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers clean. Over time, cheap gas leads to carbon buildup, poor fuel efficiency, and misfires. Instead, fill up at top-tier gas stations, like Shell, Chevron, or Mobil, that follow strict detergent standards. You may pay 10 to 15 cents more per gallon, but you'll save big on engine repairs down the line. And while we're on fluids, most people are flushing this system wrong, or worse, not at all. Number 13, don't skip transmission. Fluid changes. Your transmission is one of the most expensive components in your vehicle, with replacement costs reaching $4,000 or more. Yet many drivers never service it. The secret? Even if your owner's manual says the transmission fluid is lifetime, experts agree it should be changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, especially in automatic cars. Dirty transmission fluid loses its ability to cool and lubricate, leading to overheating, slipping gears, or even total failure. Always use manufacturer-specified fluid, and be wary of flush services at quick lube shops. They can dislodge debris and cause problems. Instead, ask for a proper drain and fill. Now, what about that annoying warning light on your dash? You may be getting tricked into a repair that doesn't need to happen at all. Number 14, reset your car's computer before paying for diagnostics. Did you know many error codes on your dashboard are just temporary glitches? A loose gas cap or low voltage from a weak battery can trigger false alerts. Here's a money-saving trick. Before paying a mechanic to run diagnostics, try disconnecting your car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the ECU. In many cases, that check engine light will stay off for good if it was a false alarm. If the light returns, then scan the code or seek professional help. This alone can save you from paying for a fix that wasn't even necessary. And finally, the secret most mechanics won't tell you: how to negotiate the repair price itself. Number 15, always ask for a breakdown and negotiate labor costs. When you receive a repair quote, don't just glance at the total. Ask for a full breakdown of parts and labor. Many shops bake extra labor hours into jobs that don't actually take that long. Here's a power move. Look up average labor times on websites like RepairPal or Your Mechanic. Then ask the shop to match or explain the difference. You can also supply your own parts if allowed, to avoid huge markups. And yes, you can negotiate. Ask, is that your best price? Or, can we bundle these repairs for a discount? You'd be surprised how often they say yes. Boom! Those were 15 car repair secrets that could easily save you $2,000 or more every year. All by being just a little smarter than the average driver. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos that save you money, avoid scams, and keep your car running like new, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tip that mechanics definitely don't want you to know. Safe driving and smart saving.